Hey everyone, welcome back to another very interesting and quick tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the battery health of your laptop. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the command promote. Let's say command promote and hit run as administrator. Once you do that, it will ask for the permission. Now here in the panel, you need to write power CFG with a space and a forward slash and write battery report. Once you do that, just simply make sure the prompt has been correct and hit enter, and it will say the battery life report saved to the file path. Now go to this file path and you will find this file, which is battery report HTML. It generated an HTML file. Now let's go to this path which is mentioned over there, and let's just directly search uh, the battery health file that has been generated, battery report. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.